Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 17th November 2021. In the international market, US retail sales have increased by 1.7% in October versus 0.7% in September. 1.5% was the expectation, which came in reality at 1.7%. US 10-year is at 163 and 30-year is at 2.02 percentage points Tuesday morning. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $81.82 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 80 to 83. In the currency market, dollar index is at 95.91. Today's range 95.36 to 96. A break above 96 will open the doors for 97.80 seen on 30th June 2020, the lifetime high for dollar, the near 3-year high for dollar. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 639. USD INR with a high of 74.53 closed at 74.37. Support at 74.35 and resistance at 74.75 exist for USD INR. Trading strategy for USD: as DXY has strengthened, rupee will become weaker. Reasons: number one, US financial year end is in December and the fund managers may decide to exit overvalued Indian equity market and book profits. Number two, IPO inflows will dry up as there are no new large IPO names coming up soon raising money. Knight research team believes that rupee to weaken further and we will race towards rupees 75 again in a week, given equity profit booking materializes. In the domestic market, Indian and US CPI numbers along with healthy retail sales in US are sending signals of inflation. Investors in the US market are expecting Fed to increase the pace of tapering from currently approved $15 billion per month as they see inflation. Investors in India are also watching the inflation and no gilt buying from RBI, VRRR, and the current OIS does signal 15 to 20 basis points reverse repo hike soon. Given the comfort of inflation in October data, RBI may wait in December to hike the reverse repo rates, but the OIS have already priced in the same. 563 2026 closed at 571 versus 567 the previous trading day. 610 2031 closed at 634 versus 636 the previous trading day. As far as the OIS is concerned, 1-year OIS is at 436 versus 433. 2-year OIS 493 versus 491. A 5-year OIS 552 versus 548. Knight research team on Thursday said. Now, 16th November 2021 SDL auctions, which was yesterday's SDL auctions. If we look at that, 2-year Karnataka at 474, 8-year Tamil Nadu at 671, 10-year Karnataka at 690 and UP at 693. SDL yields have not breached 7% yet. According to our Knight research team, SDL yields are well behaved, and as we said, the SDL versus G6 spreads have shrunk by 5 to 10 basis points. There is a strong demand and, more importantly, lower borrowings from the states, which is keeping the SDL yields lower. Trading strategy for the domestic market: again, the market has come to 636 and tried to breach 637 yesterday but failed to do so. A breach of 637 will open the doors for 642 and then 650. A couple of closes below 634 will take the market to 628. Trading range for 610 2031 634 to 637, the range bound market. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.